Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So what we have discussed previous week in commodity, you can see here guys, this is the crude oil. I have told you if it will exactly take here support somewhere, you can go for long side. Okay guys, what happened is that if you have taken somewhere here position also, you don't have to keep at this point, because you can see here, just I will zoom in so you can get properly, because here you can see that continuously here only taking support. So what you have to do is that you have to wait, or okay guys, if you have taken also here a small SL will also triggered, no worry about it. At this place once again you have to take a re-entry and your SL will be at this green candle low. Okay guys, what I have done is that if at this point only somewhere here only it's going upside, at this point only somewhere I have buyed and kept my SL at here only at resistance, my SL will be, I have kept it. You can see here guys, our first target easily reached, second target, third target too guys. Okay guys, at this place only somewhere I have booked my whole profit guys, because I am not seeing that it will goes upside momentum. Okay guys, so I am booked here. After that it's going upside. If it's going, I have no issue, but it has to take a support and goes, but it has not gone and taken any support from this part. Okay guys, I will just shift this, you can see here. Okay guys, so it has not taken any support and goes upside momentum. After somewhere here only this green red candle is making, I have taken a short position, keep at SL at this red candle low high guys, and you can see that one-sided momentum. How much we have waited here, we can see here within this trade we have executed within this is very short term, and we have got very nice trade. Somewhere here only we have taken our first target reached guys, second target also reached, third target here somewhere taking resistance. I am not executed because I am bearish at this place. I am got third target to fourth target. I am somewhere here only I have booked, because somewhere here only I have taken my position up till here, so I have got a at most jackpot only. So why I have to waste my money or give my SL? So I have exited. You can see that from here only one of the reversible has been came. Okay guys, you can check out my analysis also. I have not done any editing or something, you can check out. Okay guys, somewhere here only I have told you, if this is the broken, you can go for downside momentum. Okay guys, what happened? Continuously consolidation happened. After that breaks upside momentum, you can see that consolidate. After that taken support, going upside. But what happened here? And the seller's dominance come, so somewhere here we have kept our SL is triggered. After consolidation somewhere here only we have taken our position. Okay guys, I have taken my position and kept my SL at this position. Why I have kept at this position, I will tell you. Just slightly only came and goes downside, because here you can see that seller are dominance. So that's why if seller once again wanted to come, if this has been crossed, and then I will take my SL, because this is the buying zone guys. That's why here you can see that one-sided momentum we have got all target, first, second, third, fourth, almost four target guys, and our fifth target also almost reached guys. But at fourth target only I have exited, because I know that enough I have got within 4 to 5 candle. I have got a jackpot, so why I not take this profit? So I have taken this profit and exited. Hope you like this video guys. If you like this video guys, go and check out my Telegram channel also. I will post there also some of the commodities and some of the index analysis also. You can go check out. You can see here I have told you this will act as a resistance, because this is the one of the trend line. What happened is that exactly here only taking resistance. What happened is that I have taken somewhere here only at this red candle is making, I have shorted and keep my SL at this red candle high. Okay guys, this red candle high, you can see that one-sided momentum I have got. Okay guys, this is consolidation happening. Okay guys, after that what happened? Somewhere here only it came down. Somewhere here only I have exited, because I am not thinking that it goes downside till right now. So I have exited from here. So I have got one trade. After that, this is big momentum has been came. This red candle, I am so much interested in this. Whenever this is touching, okay guys, I am not here that to take this trade, because I am little bit busy at that time. So it came downside once again. Somewhere here only what happened is that if once again market will come, so I will definitely gonna make a one of the position. I am thinking that, so I have kept my short position at this place only, something 180 1823 something guys, 1823. Okay guys, somewhere here, and I have kept my SL at this point, 1826. Okay guys, well, averagely 3.5 my risk will be there. Okay guys, you can see that how nicely one-sided. I have told you this will be broken, then only this will act as support. When it broken, you can see that first target, second target, third target, after that only one reversible also came. Like this you have to see the analysis guys. I have also done so many analysis. Go and check out there. Our probability is 90 to 95% correct. You can check out my previous video also. There are so much learning I have told you. Please go and check out. Hope you like this video guys. Go and check out my Telegram channel too. You can join there. I will post some of the ideas also, forex and commodities. You can check out there guys. Thank you. Hope you like this video guys.